To troubleshoot issues with your cable box, it's often necessary to reset the device. The cable box is a crucial component for watching favorite content on TV. But sometimes it may not function properly, requiring a reset. There are multiple ways to reset the device. One method involves using a mobile app. By opening the app, signing in with your credentials, and navigating to the Services menu, you can select TV, choose the Experiencing Issues option, and follow the on-screen instructions to reset the box. Alternatively, you can reset the device manually by turning on your TV and waiting for the cable box to initialize. As the device boots up, you'll see the company's logo appear on the screen, followed by a series of colored boxes and a message indicating that the device is downloading or initializing applications. The box will then shut off. To complete the reset, turn the cable box back on using the remote control or the power button on the device. A message will appear on the screen, and you may see a countdown. If a countdown is displayed, wait for it to reach the number 1, at which point you should see a picture on the screen. You can then press the menu button, usually located on the top right of the box. It's also possible to reset the cable box online by visiting the company's website, signing into your account, selecting the Services menu, choosing TV, and clicking on Experiencing Issues, and then Reset Equipment. By following these simple steps, you should be able to easily reset your cable box and resolve any issues with your TV service.